In today's video, I'll be doing the installation and overview of the Exodus wallet. So let's take a look. And we're at our Windows 10 desktop and we have our Google Chrome browser opened right now. The steps that we're going to be following to install Exodus is going to be exactly the same in Windows 11 if you're using that. We'll just type in Exodus wallet inside the Google search and hit enter. And exodus.com is the official URL. So we're going to just go to the main page here. All right, so let's go ahead and download the wallet. So we'll click on this link right over here. So we either have the option to download the desktop version or the mobile version. For the desktop, it's compatible with Mac, Linux, and Windows. I can click on the link over here and you can see that we have the Windows App 64 as well as other versions available. I'm going to click on that and let it download. It's 158 megs. It's not that big, so we're already done downloading it. I can go ahead and click on the executable file. I'll minimize the window here. And now we're ready to install Exodus. There we go. So it's actually installing Exodus as we speak, and you have it done. So it's a very quick installation. Doesn't even take a minute there. We get a prompt letting us know it's installed, and we have an icon over here on our desktop. So I'm just going to click on OK, and we'll open up the Exodus app by double clicking on it. And here we are at the Exodus welcome screen. So if you already had a wallet and you wanted to restore it from a backup, you have the option to do so right over here. And the first thing that we want to do is we want to make a backup of our wallet and set a password to it, because that's definitely the first line of security that you want to have. So you can click on the settings option over here in the top right hand corner, and we have the security option right up here. We're going to click on that, and it's letting us know that there's an auto lock available, and you can go ahead and type a password in here. So I'm going to type one in. So the password that you're typing in here cannot be recovered. Whatever you type in here, you want to make sure you keep it in a secure location. We go ahead and type that in, and once you have your password entered, you can click on next. They want us to type it in again. Make sure that you have it memorized. So go ahead and type that in. And once you have it in there, you can click on next. I'm not going to be using this wallet, so I'm going to be able to show you all the steps all the way through. This is a 12-word phrase that you want to make sure that you keep it private. Let me scroll down a bit here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to reveal it. So we have sweet, social, awkward, safe, drill, famous, fence, isolate, diamond, salon, slender, and romance. So we have these words that we have. And what you want to do is you want to write these words down in order that you see them. So we have all these words recorded in a secure, safe location. I'm showing you them right now because I'm not going to use this wallet. When you're doing this on your own, you want to make sure that you have this written down and stored in a secure location. This is definitely the main line of defense that you have for recovering your wallet. So you don't want to lose that. So once you have that all written down, you go ahead and click on next. Right now, what it's going to do is just go through a verification phase, and it wants to know which word belongs in our phrase. So the one that belongs in our phrase is drill. So you select that and then you click on finish. Now that we have the backup complete, we have the option to reset our password and also view the recovery phrase if you need to do that in the future. Inside security, you have the option to auto lock your wallet. Right now I have it selected as never, and that is the default option, but you can have your wallet automatically locked after a set period of time, just in case you walk away from your computer, people will not have access to it. It's an excellent option to have turned on. Let's go back over to the main screen over here. So when you set up your wallet, you want to always take care of security first. So we've done the password, and we also have our backup phrase saved in a secure location. That's going to help us in case we need to recover this wallet at any time. Let's take a look at the features of the Exodus wallet. So up here at the top, you have the option for portfolio. So if you click on portfolio, and if you scroll down a bit more, you can see the overview right over here, and you can see price action and your actual portfolio, and it'll let you know the balance of any assets that you might have, and it'll list it in order from greatest to least. So we're going to be using Bitcoin as an example because it's the biggest coin around, and we'll click on that, and this is going to be our Bitcoin wallet. So this is going to be to send and receive any Bitcoin that you may get or you may want to send. So we're looking at the wallet right now. And if you scroll down a bit here, you have the activity, a little bit about the cryptocurrency itself, videos related to it that have been produced by Exodus, and some news. And they have their own feed for that as well. If you want to send Bitcoin and you have a balance, you just have to click on the send button right over here, and it's going to ask you to enter in a Bitcoin address. So the option to scan a QR code right over here, and you have a scan from your desktop or a camera, select that. You can take a picture of your QR code, or you can just paste in that Bitcoin wallet address. Then you type in how much you want to send. So say you had a lot of money, you want to send 3,000 Bitcoin, you can go ahead and do that. And once you have the amount entered in there, you just click on send and your funds are gone. So once you click on send, it disappears from your wallet and it's on the chain until it gets to the destination wallet. And that can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, maybe longer. It really depends on the speed of the network. So we can go ahead and close that. And that's going to be pretty much the exact same thing for any type of cryptocurrency that you're going to send and receive. Say I'm looking for Solana, so I'll just type type in Sol, and there you go, it comes up, and there's my Solana. Now it supports over 140 different cryptocurrencies. I'll make sure I link that in the description below if you want to see what cryptocurrencies are available. A lot of the smaller cryptocurrencies are not listed here. It doesn't mean it will never get to this wallet. It just they haven't updated it for that specific one. A lot of cryptocurrencies come and go. So the main ones, the more popular ones, are going to be the ones that you find in this wallet. Next, I'm going to be taking a look at the swap option or the exchange. So if you click on this option right up over here, we get the exchange, and it's letting you know that it's using a third-party API to provide this service. So you can check that and click on continue. And this is the nice part about this wallet. You can exchange from one cryptocurrency to another right in your wallet. And not every wallet has this feature. If you want to take Bitcoin, for example, and you want to switch it to something else, if I choose a cryptocurrency like AVAX, I can go ahead and I can just type in the amount, and it lets you know how much AVAX you receive. So in this case, with the exchange rate, I'll be getting about 29,456. And if I scroll down a little bit further here, it lets me know what the network fee is for this exchange. Exodus is a public company, and you're able to buy shares of Exodus itself. And that's an option right over here. So you can go ahead and invest in Exodus directly right here. That's something, if you're interested in it, just a little bit of extra thing that you can look for. And now we can take a look at some apps that you can install. So click on over here, and besides the Exodus shares that we just talked about, you have the FTX exchange that you can add on to it. You have the rewards section for staking, NFTs. You can hold your NFTs in this wallet as well. So they also have compound financing available. This allows you to earn interest on any crypto that you're holding. I'll install that as well. And SportsX, you can actually bet from your wallet. So you can bet on a lot of major sports, popular world sports organizations. So you can click on install and let that go in there as well. Let's take a look at the first one. So the first one is compound finance. And it lets you know that they have the DAI stablecoin listed in here and how much interest you can earn. Right now, this is the only coin that they have listed. I believe they are expecting to grow this further. If you click on calculated profit, then you can just calculate how much interest you'd earn. Go back to the home. We'll take a look at the next one, which is the FTX exchange. For FTX exchange, what you do want to have an account with FTX, because you're going to have to sign in and use that. NFTs. So if you're holding any NFTs on the Solana chain, you can go ahead and send them to your Exodus wallet right off the bat. You just have to click on copy your address, and you can plug that into whatever wallet is holding your NFTs and send it right to your Exodus wallet. So you have a marketplace where you can also go ahead and buy NFTs. It's connected to the Magic Eden site. If you scroll down a bit here, you have the popular collections, and you can go ahead and buy NFTs right off the site within your wallet. And now for SportsX, it's actually using the USDC coin. So that's the only coin that is accepted in here. That's a stable coin. So you have a lot of different leagues and associations here. Scroll down a little bit further here. You have a lot of the popular American sports, NHL, NBA, and Major League Baseball. Like pretty much every sport you can think of is in here. There's quite a few. And you can go into esports as well. Right now, there is no esports actively running, but when there is, it pops up in here. You can bet on crypto. You can choose Ethereum or Bitcoin. These are the two main ones that they're using right now. And if you select it, you can do price predictions of what Bitcoin is going to be doing. And right now we're in a bear market. So it'll be interesting to see how this plays out. If you have any active bets, you click on the bets tab right over here, and everything will be listed. So any activity that you have will be listed in this section, and then holdings, it'll let you know how much crypto you have available. And this is only in the USD coin. You can exchange anything that you have into USDC, so you can go ahead and use that in this section. That is the only thing accepted inside the Exodus wallet for gambling. And we'll take a look at rewards, because rewards is one of the most interesting parts of this wallet, because you can stake right from your wallet. So here are the chains that you can currently stake within your Exodus wallet. You have Solana, Algorand, you have Cosmo, Cardano, Tezo, Ontology, and VeChain. If you're a beginner and you don't know where to stake your coins, and things are looking a little bit more complex, Exodus is actually allowing this feature to be very accessible and very easy to do. Now, this is an excellent starter wallet because everything is in one place and you don't have to jump around from site to site. So that's one of the reasons why I recommend it. I'm not sponsored in any way. It's just a wallet I started out with, and it's very easy to use and a very clean interface, so you can see exactly what you want to see. I'm going to be creating a staking video to actually walk you through the steps of staking cryptocurrency, so you can go ahead and check that out on the channel. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and put them in the comments below. If you found this video useful, please smash that like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.